Hi, this is Allison Doherty from the blog Hardcovers and Heroines, and I'm doing my first ever vlog post to talk to you about NaNoWriMo. For those of you that don't know, NaNoWriMo stands for National Novel Writing Month. It's a somewhat insane challenge where people all around the world try and write a whole novel in just 1 month, in November. I've known about this challenge for a long time, and half of me has always wanted to do it, but the other half of me has been too nervous and thought it seemed really impossible. But since hundreds of thousands of people participate every year, including some of my favorite authors like Betsy Cornwell and Erin Morgenstern and Rainbow Rowell, I decided that there must be something to it, and I am excited to see if it works for me. It took me almost 2 years to write my first draft of my first novel, Dream Voyages, and now that I've completed my 8th draft, I'm excited to try and put that aside and see if I can write a sequel in just 30 days. That being said, when I signed up 2 months ago, I thought I was going to have the whole month really to focus on this challenge as my main thing. Instead, I'm going on vacation tomorrow, which is very exciting for me, but not necessarily conducive to writing 2,000 words a day. And I am taking the GRE in a few weeks, and for some reason, polynomials and square roots are not coming back to me as easily as I hoped, so there'll definitely be some study time this month. And I have a lot of people coming for Thanksgiving, and even though Dream Voyages is supposed to be in a drawer, I'm still being a little nitpicky about it, trying to get it perfect for when I go to the Big Sur Writers Workshop next month. But these are all great problems to have, so instead of letting something drop or focusing on the fact that I have overcommitted a little bit, I'm trying to remember that even though technically you have to write 50,000 words in just 30 days to win this challenge, I don't think there are really any losers when it comes to NaNoWriMo, because even if I only do half that much or even just get 10,000 words down, that's going to be a really big improvement for me for how fast I can write, and it'll be a nice start to a new draft. So for right now, I'm just really excited to be participating in this challenge and making this vlog post. Both of those things have been big goals on my bucket list for a long time, and hopefully I'll be a little bit less nervous and not uptalk so much next time when I come in through the month to give some updates. So for now, I better go and start writing. But thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!